third or fourth, third Thursday, not Thursday. What day is it? Third Sunday of every month. I think we usually do the brick relay.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. Never had a lot of shit, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots if I miss off, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, turning out all and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, I'm sweating, I never back up. I don't miss a thing, I can write it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a always handsome man, septic, branding, damn. I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always wanted just to wear the crown. I'm rising off in these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
The instruction booklets pages were still printed on black. Yeah, like, Cat, it was great seeing you. Thanks for stopping in. And I'm back from my hiatus. Like I said, I don't know what like steady stream schedule is going to be like going forward. But I will try to recalibrate for y'all and bring it back in. At least, you know, to have one or two streams that are consistent. And then like the gaming ones will kind of be sprinkled in. That was really cool. Thanks everybody for coming by. Twitch and everything is crazy. Like the fact that anybody would come by and hang out and spend your evening with me is warms my heart. So thanks you all for, even if you just stopped in for a second and said hello. Thanks for taking the time to do so. I missed you guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, my pleasure, my pleasure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we do up for some hanging out in either my Discord or the brick building community Discord soon. Nice. Oh, whose heart is that? Is that? Oh, no. New to me. Oh, a heart bricks. It's cute. Alright, so this is our raid message. We're gonna bring it over to Brickanista. She's the last stop on the brick relay. Thanks again, everybody, for stopping by.